Hi there, it's Sanna here again with another Glimmer Mist technique idea. The previous video where I misted the baby wipe and tried to roll with the brayer over it didn't work, but I figured that since this has already so much color on it, it would be a shame to waste it. And I'm just going to, just in case it dried up a little bit, I'm adding some spray onto it, and then I'm going to just do something with that and try and create a fun background. So I'm just grabbing this, and I've got a piece of a card base here, and I'm just dabbing the color onto the paper. I don't know. And I can, if I want to, I can take a different part and add some more tone to that. This reminds me of Easter egg coloring somehow, I don't know why. Okay, so you can create this marbled background. Let's add some green. So if you have been cleaning your with stencils or whatever with your baby wipe and it's still wet from the color, you can still use it for this type of idea. So you could create a background like that. Just really simple and easy. And then you can even save this piece and use your scissors, add pieces of it to ATCs or whatever you want to do, junk journals, because it still has nice color on it. At least some parts are good for something. Okay, so that was the baby wipe marbling kind of idea with Glimmer Mists. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.